Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana and today I'm going to show you my natural makeup routine. So I'm starting with the micellar water of Garnier to clean my face and make sure we have a clean base to start with. And I really like this one, it makes my skin look clean and fresh.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now I'm using my Clinique gel moisturizer and making sure my face is hydrated and ready for the foundation.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
I'm going to use the Dior foundation and buff it to the skin to even out my skin tone and cover all of those imperfections. Really like this foundation, it has great coverage and nice finish. Actually, I think it's more for the nighttime because it's not that light on the skin, but that's what we have right now. So I'm just going to quickly moisturize my lips with this lip balm by EOS and make sure my lips are hydrated and feeling nice. So now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tip Concealer and placing it under my eyes to cover the circles and highlight this area. I really like this concealer. I think it has a good coverage, but it is on the dry side, so I'm not using that much of product.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
go. So now I'm going to set my under eyes with this Coty Airspun loose setting powder, and honestly it's one of the best I ever tried. It makes my skin look so smooth and it sets the makeup really well.
turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
For bronzer, I forgot to show you, it's the MAC bronzer, which has beautiful color and blends super nice to the skin. Really like the way it blends and makes me look so bronzed and healthy. Now that the concealer is set, I'm taking my brush and I'm cleaning the powder that is left under my eyes. To contour my face, I'm using this Too Faced contour palette and I'm using this light shade to contour my cheekbones. To highlight my face, I'm going to use MAC highlighter in Double Gleam, which is so beautiful, and honestly, I use it every single time. To add some color to my face, I'm using this old blush that I have by Clinique, which unfortunately I think is not selling anymore, but it's really nice and it gives me a really pretty color on the cheeks. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Dior pencil, which is really great, and the reason why I like it so much is because it has the perfect color for my eyebrows. Usually it's pretty hard for me to find the right color for my brows because all the pencils that they have in the stores, they're more on the warm side, so this one has the perfect shade for me. Now I want to set my eyebrows, and I'm using this Lancome transparent brow gel, and it is one of my favorites. It sets them super well and holds my brows in place all day. This step is not a must for me and I don't do it every day, but actually I really like the way eyeliner looks on my eyes, so today I'm using the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner and I really like this one. It's black, it's easy to use and it's great. For mascara, I'm using the Chanel mascara. I know it is expensive, but I really like the way it looks on my lashes. For lips, I'm using one of my favorite brands, which is ColourPop. They have such a good makeup for such an affordable price, and I just love them. The shade that I'm using is BFF2, and I'm just filling in all my lips with this pencil. for lipstick, I'm using this beautiful nude shade by Colourpop, and it's from their Luxe lipstick collection. The last step that adds up so much for me is lip gloss, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is one of my go-to looks and some of my favorite products. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.